Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a job tracker in Spreadsheet. So let's get started with the video. So basically, as you can see, I have created a spreadsheet over here and there are a few columns which I have created. Date applied, company, role, location, application link, contact person, status, interview date, follow-up date, notes, offer received. So these are the basic columns and basic things which we check while tracking our job. You can add another column if you wish to. For example, we will start from here. You can mention the date here for which you have applied that for that particular role. You can mention the company name. I'm using any random information right now. What is your role? For example, right now I'm mentioning data analyst. What is the location? You can enter any of the location. Application link, if you have a particular application link which you have filled or any link that you got on the Gmail, you can copy and enter that link over here. You have to mention the link. The contact person, maybe the HR contact person or anyone, a phone number you have to mention over here, from whom you are talking to, you are having a connection with. So basically in status basically we are going what is the current status of that job interview. Is it applied, is it offered, is it interview scheduled? So for this we can create a drop down menu. What you need to do, particularly select that data, select that column and select that field, then go to data. Here you will get an option of data validation. Choose this, click on add rule. Here we need to create a drop down. So in this options we can create the option here. For example, on hold, rejected, you can click on add another item. Offer, if you have the offer. In another you can mention interviewed. Next you can mention interview scheduled. The next one is applied. So basically this all can be the status while applying for the job. Here you will get an option of colors. For example, we can mention if it's on hold, we can mark it as yellow or red since it's on hold. If it's rejected, you can mention it red. For on hold also you can give, it's totally upon you. If you have the offer, you can mention is at dark green. Interviewed you can mention as light green. Interview schedule you can mention as different color. It's totally upon you which color you need to mention. Post that, just click on done. Once the rule been added, you can cancel it and here you can click on this drop down menu. Here you will see all the option you can choose. For example, I have the offer, I'll choose the offer and you can see the status has currently been changed to its color. Interview date, it's only when interview your status is interview schedule, you can choose the interview date over here. For example, if it's 12th 06/2025, you can choose, totally depends on your schedule. When's the follow-up date? For example, you have given the interview follow-up date. If it's do not, then you can mention is not applicable since interview is already done, so there is no follow-up date. You can mention notes. For example, I need to call HR or any other detail, or did offer received or not. You can again go to data and you can go to data validation and you can mention yes, either the option is yes or either the option is no. You can again schedule the color. For yes you can mark it as green, for no you can mark it as red and then click on done. Then again you will get an option here, did offer received, yes or no. You can mention yes or no and you can change it accordingly. So this is how basically you can track your job application using this Google spreadsheet. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.